How to delete an Instagram account on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete an Instagram account on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, you may now open your Instagram app and go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're here, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and then go to Settings and choose Help right here. So click on Help and then click on Help Center. So once you click that, this page will appear. What you're going to do now is simply search right here, delete, and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, click on delete account and then wait for it to load once again. And then simply click on the very first option right here, which is how do I delete my Instagram account? Click on it, read all of these, and then you may click on the delete your account button right here. So click on delete your account and wait for it to load. Right here, you just simply follow the steps needed, which includes the reason on how you should or why you delete your account. So choose an option right here. There are several options. You may choose something else if you don't want these options, and then make sure to re-enter your password. Once you have done that, as you can see, if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted on the specific date that they will be giving you. So, if you regret deleting your account, you should make sure to log in back before the date that they have set right here. So, re-enter your password, click on delete your account, and then that's it. That's how you can delete an Instagram account on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.